Hello, viewers. This is your host Imran, and welcome to my channel, which is Knowledge with Imran. Please subscribe my channels, those who have not subscribed yet, for more details and for more videos for the technology which is coming with iPhone and different things. So, here today's topic is how to make and how to change a dark theme or black theme for WhatsApp by using iPhone. It is kind of all kind of iPhones. So, here we start. In the main menu, you can find a settings. So please click on settings. Yeah. Scroll down and go to the general. Yes. After that, you can find accessibility. Yes. And then you can find a fourth option from the top, that is display accommodation. Display accommodation. Yes. Click on it. So a first option, it is invert colors. Yes. Please click on invert colors. So a first option, which is smart invert. Yes, enable it, please. So here becomes your phone is iPhone becomes a WhatsApp dark mode. Please click on WhatsApp. Yeah. So here you can see that, and just select a wallpaper also, a black one. So how you can do that? Go to the chats. Yeah, chat wallpaper. Yeah, photos, and here in your, if you have already saved it, so make it any kind of color like this one, a black one, set it. Yes, it's done. So here, if you can see, so your WhatsApp looks like this. Yeah, it's like a full black. And how to download a black wallpapers? So click on the Safari and just open a Google. Yes, in that you can just please open the Google, yeah, and write it down here, which is a black wallpaper HD. Yes, and go to the images. Yes, and let's say if any image is open, let's say this one, a black image, which is, let's say, this one, yeah. So if you select this one, it will be open like this. So you can just touch this picture and hold it for a few seconds. Yes, and then save image. So it will be saved in your photos. So you can go directly to your photos and see if it is saved. Yeah. So yes, it is saved.